Hedera HBAR is absolutely on fire. It recently pumped 163%. We had a little correction, 40%, but the chart is looking really promising. And in today's video, we're going to talk about the buying zones, where to buy if you're thinking about buying HBAR. We're going to cover in this video, we're going to talk about take profit levels, where to sell, price prediction, and all the technical analysis. So stay tuned. First of all, thank you so much to all of new subscribers. I cannot believe it's over 600 now. I just started, so thank you so much to all of you. And if you're not subscribed yet, you can consider doing that if you like the content, of course. Let's do it. Before we start, I just want to inform you that BYBIT is offering 2 airdrops for MASA, and another one is safe. And there's just a few really simple steps you have to take, and all the details are in the description down below. You can go there and you can try to win 2 allocations from BYBIT. All right, let's go get into the charts. Alright, so first thing that I see when I look at the chart is we have higher lows right here and higher highs right here, so the trend is up. But we actually retraced from this top here around 40% already. So if you're thinking about getting into the project, I think the time is around now. But the lower point I would look at is this 0382 Fibonacci retracement level right here, and also this 236 Fibonacci retracement right here. Why? Because this level right here is really important, and I'm gonna show you how. I'm gonna show you why exactly. Because here you see this wick here, this is resistance level, this is resistance right here. You can see that this level here is really important, and this resistant level when we were in the bear market actually became a support, like here and here. I can mark it for you, this one and that one. So, and that was a resistance right here. So the lowest we can get, in my opinion, is 7 cents here, but I wouldn't be that greedy because we may never reach that level again. So I would put my limit order around 8 cents right over here, or just have a few levels like dollar cost average. So I think anything between 9 cents and 7 cents right here is a good purchase. Because look at the trend here, look at the moving average. So I think we're gonna bounce back from here and continue growing, but everything depends on what Bitcoin is gonna do. So let's just take a look at Bitcoin right now, and things are not looking super well in a short term. In a long term, I think we're gonna continue going up, but in the short term, I think it's really possible that we're gonna reach one of those 2 levels, liquidity levels. First, we can reach this $58,000 right here, this order box, and probably continue going up or have another leg up like this. So we're just gonna grab this liquidity here and go up and continue, or we're gonna have a dead cat bounce and just continue and go to 52 and then continue going up. So if that scenario is gonna play out, that means that HBAR is gonna go into those low support levels, and you can get HBAR much lower, which is great actually, because when you look at I'm gonna show you on a chart in a second. If we reach this level again, that means that from this level I can purchase it here. If we go back to the local top that we just saw a couple of days ago, that means 157% of profit. Okay, that's a lot. But if we go to all-time high, I'm gonna show you all-time high from the current price will get you around 473%. But if we start from 7 cents to all-time high, that's 712%. Okay, so that's much more. So the lower you can get into HBAR, the better. Okay, And I would also look at the Bitcoin dominance chart, because look guys here, I drew this line weeks ago and look what we did. Like exactly what I drew, like here. It's just a little bit on the left side, so if we were to move this, that would show exactly what happened. But if you look at that on a daily chart or even on a weekly chart, you can see those movements, those wicks towards upside, towards up. And if you see something like this, it's really a good opportunity to get into altcoins. So when you look at the chart and you see, I will show you, this is kind of what's happening right now. And if you see this going up into this resistance level at 57%, that's a good indicator for purchasing altcoins. That's gonna mean if Bitcoin is gonna continue crashing, it's gonna continue in its correction mode, that means that Bitcoin dominance is gonna grow as well. But also what may happen is that Bitcoin is gonna continue growing rapidly fast and altcoins gonna lose, and the same thing may happen, but in both scenarios it's gonna be really good to purchase altcoins, because altcoins will continue. When it happens, altcoins will continue to go after Bitcoin, and this dominance will go down. Okay, so whenever we go up into this bound here, that's a great indicator to like, okay, it's time to buy some altcoins, and HBAR is an altcoin. Okay, so that's perfect. All right, let's take a look at some something at CoinGecko. Where's HBAR? I think that was 29. Yeah, there we go. We are around 10 cents right now, and how far we can go? Can we go to $1? That would, going to $1 right now would mean 36 billion market cap. Yeah, we would be behind Solana. And my if we were to do 20x, that would put us between BNB and Solana. But I also expect the whole market to double or even triple in the nearest future. So that 10x could be doable, and that would put us somewhere in top 20 here. So that's really awesome. And yeah, that's just the ceiling that I can see for you guys. If you're, but I wouldn't wait for 20x, 30x, 10x or something like that. I would just take my profits earlier and put it into Bitcoin or Ethereum and wait till it doubles, because it's safer, easier, and it's gonna bring you the same result, and it's less risky. Because like, what if you're never gonna see 10x? What if it's gonna go make 8x and then just gonna bear market is gonna start and you're gonna lose all your profits? It's safer to take profits along the way up, put it into Bitcoin, and Bitcoin's gonna assure you that you can have this profit doubled or tripled in the long run, you know, without losing your capital, because there's so many institutions, big companies investing in Bitcoin, and it makes it so much safer for you that, okay, if you lose money, then a lot of institutions and everyone's gonna lose money. Okay, all right, another thing is here, I was talking about halving. Look, this is CBBI index, and it's just a combination of 7 different indicators, which shows every time we had, halving, it's right here, marked right below here. This chart was green, which was telling you that it's undervalued. But now we just had halving, and the chart is showing that the charts are a little overheated. So we're much higher than we usually are doing halving. Okay, so that shows a little bit of room for what I told you and what I showed you on the chart of Bitcoin, because we're really far away from from weekly moving averages to 150, and that shows that, I'm sorry about that, that shows a little bit of room for some kind of correction. and I think in my opinion 45,000 is possible, but there are a lot of ETFs buying BTC and it pushes the price up. So in the previous bull markets we tended to drop even 40% in the bull run, but the capitalization was much smaller. It was easier to dump 40%. Right now we're talking about trillions, and we're talking about ETFs, and this volatility will not be so high. So in my opinion, minus 30% should be, it's crypto, but you know, we never know what's gonna happen. But if it's gonna be much more than that, I think we're gonna go into temporary bear market or into just bear market. But I think minus 30% correction, it should be maximum right now. Okay, so 52,000 would be possible, because when you look at that, okay, like we're pretty high. We are higher than expected, and everyone is expecting to continue growing. And if everyone is expecting Bitcoin to continue growing, then we may go the other way and just be a big surprise for a lot of people. But in short term, so don't worry about that, because we're gonna bounce back and we're gonna go higher, in my opinion. Next is Fear and Greed Index. We're at 67, and I remember when we were like in 78 or something, and I was telling you guys we're gonna see this thing going to the left, and we did. So I think this is continue. I want to see fear here, or extreme fear, because I haven't seen it for a long time. Let's see the maximum. Yeah, this is June 2020, and we're so low here, but look how much we grew over the years, and we need to see some kind of correction here, even to lower points. We're really high, and guys, we haven't seen nothing here yet. We need to see some fear here, and if you see here fear on this chart, or extreme fear, oh, like you can just buy. It's a really great indicator showing you where to get into crypto, not only Bitcoin, Ethereum, but other altcoins and everything. But if you see fear and extreme fear here, and if you see Bitcoin season on this chart here, all the way down here, then it's a great indicator to buy altcoins. But if you see extreme fear on this chart and altcoin season, this chart really high, at those points here, orange or red, you should buy. During alt season, you're buying Bitcoin. You know, there's so many people don't understand that, but you should buy Bitcoin into when it's altcoin season, okay? Because altcoins may crash really soon, and Bitcoin really is gonna be strong, and you can use that Bitcoin to buy altcoins when this changes. So if you wanna see how this, because I actually told you guys we're gonna go down here, and if you wanna be informed with those predictions, make sure you subscribe to this channel, follow me, because I'm gonna update this chart in the future. And that was really good point 25 here to purchase some altcoins, and you would have been really profitable if you made that move here. But I think we're gonna continue going down. I think we should see like one leg down, as the Bitcoin dominance is gonna continue growing. That's it for today. Thank you so much, and you can actually help me grow my channel. I hope you liked this video. If you did, you can subscribe to this channel, you can like this video, and you can leave a comment down below. If you have any questions, if you have any projects you want me to cover, you can drop them down below. And you can of course share this video with your friends and family. You can do all of that, especially if you subscribe and like this video, will help me a lot, and I will appreciate it a lot. So thank you so much again for today, and see you tomorrow.